Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to start a newsletter on Substack. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type Substack. Here you can create an account, sign up an account, or get ready to publish your article or your post. So tap this one right here, get started. You can create an account using your Google account. You can also create using your email and your password. Now you can set up your profile. So let's just say this is your profile, the name of your profile right here. As much as possible, add your photo, logo, bio, colors, and about page so new readers know what you're about. If you're using the application, you can set this up there too. And for this one, you can just basically skip this part and then proceed to posting here on your Substack. You can add email address, but you can do that one later too. Okay, so interest, you can select your interest right here. And then after that, you can now proceed and start posting. So basically here on your Substack, you can click new post right here. You have your option and you can also set your payment method if you want, but you can do that one later. So let us create a post first. It's up to you if you want text, audio, or video. Here you can add a title of your article or your newsletter, of course, and then add here the content. And then once you have added that, then basically you can turn on paid when ready. So this is what we call growth or use growth features. So basically you can add here subscribe, leave a comment, or send a message. In this way, you can let or you can make your subscribers or readers reach out to you, and this is how you engage your community. So you can turn on subscribe only threads, or you can add links here if you want. Now basically this is what it looks like. You can go to settings to monetize when ready. Substack use Stripe for payment method. So that's how easy it is to start a newsletter on Substack. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.